video. Shailesh, you can start. Good. Okay, seems there is some technical error during the video. So let me start the session for today. So let me share with you some of the franchisee facts about India. There are 4,600 franchisors in India, out of which 50% are regional brands, 34% are national brands, and 16% are global brands. India has nearly 2 lakh franchisee outlets, which has been operated by 1,70,000 franchisees. Yes, nearly 60% of franchisee locations are in a unit franchisee format. So that is why selecting a franchisee without a proper strategy, understanding, and knowledge will not make you reach to your goals. One of the major reasons for the failure in a franchisee business is that new franchisee is often not scalable or does not have process in place at all. A real franchise model which involves a clear set of choices that define what the firm is going to do and what it's not going to do. Many franchises fail to get implemented despite the ample efforts of hardworking people. Why? Because they do not represent a set of clear choices. So, the right process in the selection of franchisee is very much crucial and important. We at Franchise Insider believe in processes and work with a franchisor hand in hand to achieve the goal of investors. Good evening, this is Samir Desai, your franchise expert, franchise catalyst, and franchise business coach from Franchise Insider. During lockdown scenario, we have successfully done more than 60 franchisee webinars and short videos. We are always happy to share with you that we have a network of more than 350 franchisee brands with a database of 25,000 प्लस क्लाइंट्स, सीधी बात विद ब्रांड ओनर। ये सीरीज हमने स्टार्ट की है जिसमें हम कोशिश करते हैं हर बार नए फ्रेंचाइजी ब्रांड ओनर्स को आपसे रूबरू करवाने की, उनकी जर्नी आपसे शेयर करने के लिए वो आपसे रूबरू होते हैं। अपने फ्रेंचाइजी क्राइटेरिया, टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन, विजन, मिशन, सक्सेस स्टोरीज, terms, condition, processes, everything they share with you. And not just that, you have an opportunity to ask any query and questions during this session. जी हाँ, इसीलिए मैं आपसे बोल रहा हूँ ड्यूरिंग सेशन आपको कुछ भी क्वेरी है, यू कैन नोट इट डाउन, यू कैन पुट इट इनटू द chat box, or you can raise your hand. We will allow you to ask your question and we'll be happy to answer all your queries. So today we have a speaker. हमने जो स्पीकर को इनवाइट किया है उनको मैं क्रेडिट देना चाहूंगा। व्हाट ही हैज डन, उन्होंने इंडियन नाश्ता जो हम बोलते हैं इंडियन स्नैक इंडस्ट्री, उसमें एक बहुत ही बड़ा रेवोल्यूशन लाने की उन्होंने शुरुआत ऑलरेडी कर दी है। भारतीय नाश्ता, इंडियन स्नैक आइटम जिसका बादशाह जिसे कहा जाता है, दैट इज समोसा। जी हाँ, इट हैज बीन कॉल्ड अ किंग ऑफ इंडियन स्नैक आइटम। सालों से इसने राज किया है इस इंडस्ट्री पे, इंडियन स्नैक आइटम में। ना सिर्फ इंडिया तक ये सीमित है, अक्रॉस द ग्लोब ये पहुंच चुका है और इसने अपने सक्सेस स्टोरीज हर जगह पे अभी दौड़ा दी है। नाउ सक्सेसफुल होने के बावजूद इसे एक टैग दिया गया है अनहेल्दी, आई वुड से आइटम, फूड आइटम। व्हाई इट इज बीन कॉल्ड एज अनहेल्दी फूड, जबकि इतना फेवरेट है सब लोगों का, करोड़ों लोगों का फेवरेट है? बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स प्रिपरेशन। द प्रिपरेशन विच इन्वॉल्व्स, सबसे पहली चीज जो हम कंसिडर करते हैं मैदा, इसके जो फीलिंग्स होते हैं जो जैसे आलू, मटर वगैरह, प्लस सबसे बड़ी चीज ये डीप फ्राई किया जाता है कंप्लीटली इनटू द ऑयल। इन्होंने इनिशिएटिव लिया है कि समोसा को अनहेल्दी से पूरा हेल्दी कैसे हम कन्वर्ट करें। ना जिस इनिशिएटिव लिया है इन्होंने इस चीज को ऑलरेडी सक्सेसफुली इंप्लीमेंट कर दिया है विद सक्सेसफुल 3 आउटलेट्स। वैसे तो ये काफी नई ब्रांड है, बट इतने शॉर्ट टाइम में इनके इतने फॉलोअर्स और फैन बन चुके हैं। व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस क्रिएटिविटी। ना सिर्फ इसको इन्होंने हेल्दी बनाया है, बट इन्होंने इस चीज में कस्टमाइज सिलेक्शन ऑप्शन ड्यूरिंग द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ योर समोसा दिया है। चौंक गए? जी हाँ, मैं भी चौंक गया था जब पहली बार इसके बारे में जाना, क्योंकि अब तक वी आर यूज्ड टू कि ओनली एंड ओनली एमएनसी ब्रांड्स, जो एमएनसी फूड ब्रांड्स होती है, देन ओनली गिव यू द कस्टमाइज सिलेक्शन ऑप्शन। जैसे आपको डो का सिलेक्शन दिया जाता है, सब वेजीज, सॉसेस का ऑप्शन दिया जाता है, बट हाउ कम दिस इज पॉसिबल विद द इंडियन स्नैक लाइक समोसा? अगर सारी चीजें मैं बता दूंगा तो आप स्पीकर से क्या जानेंगे? So today I'm very much happy to invite and welcome one of the founder and director of this very unique concept. The brand name is Semiosa. So let me welcome Ankit Valecha. Ankit, welcome to today's webinar and the screen is yours. You can start your presentation. Shailesh, हमने unmute करना।
Okay, unmute.
Yeah, please unmute Mr. Ankit.
Already unmuted, but Ankit sir.
I think you have to do for yourself unmute. Just a second.
Thank you so much, Sameer ji.
Yeah.
That was a wonderful introduction. Really, you've not left much for me to say. You've spoken so nicely and with such brilliant enthusiasm. I think half my job is already done. Thank you so much. Wonderful introduction. And hello and welcome everyone. I am Ankit Valecha. We have just started a new chain called Samiosa last year. Thank you for joining in, and would be really nice to update you and tell you everything about Samiosa, what we've done and what our journey so far been. First of all, I would like just here we go. So Samiosa, as a word says, has been derived from samosas in our own way. Basically, what we are trying to do is to present samosas in a new way. We want people to forget samosas and re-Christian them as Samiosa. That's the basic concept or the basic ideology behind our store. It took us 3 years to make this concept. The idea came to my younger brother, Anshul. One day morning, he came to me and he discussed the idea about Samiosa. I really loved it. And it took us about 2 years to formulate it and present it in this way. Basically, if you all of you, I would like to ask you one question. If all of you think about samosas, what are the 2 things that come to your mind? There's a chat box, would be nice if anybody can share. If you can type in what all comes to your mind, what all negative points come to your mind when you talk about samosas. I think one would be unhealthy and the other word would be unhygienic. One would be unhealthy and the other would be unhygienic. And Samir ji is saying taste. Thank you, Samir ji. Samosa, as we all know, started in India in the year 1300. हम शायद काफी लोगों को नहीं पता होगा, samosa is a Asian dish. Was conceptualized in the Middle East, and it was imported to India like many other dishes. 1300, in the years 1300 something, it was introduced in India, and it became so popular that India ki har gali ke andar you will find one or 2 people who would want to who make samosas, और जहाँ से हम लोग लेते हैं, हम लोग अपनी लोकेलिटीज के आसपास, हमारी लोकेलिटीज में हर जगह एक हलवाई है जिससे हम लोग समोसे लाते हैं और उनको खाते हैं. While getting those samosas, there are only 2 queries which we came across while doing our research, which came to our notice. People found कि जो oil samosa बनाने के लिए use किया जा रहा है,
check that your stream is connected and all required information.
Hello, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, you are audible. Yes.
Fantastic. So, जिस हलवाई के पास से आप समोसे ला रहे हैं, after doing the intensive research, we came to know people had this feeling कि पता नहीं वो oil hygienic है या नहीं है. जिस conditions में वो समोसा बन रहा है, क्या वो conditions hygienic हैं, नहीं हैं, वो atmosphere अच्छा है, नहीं है, क्या वो oil पुराना तो नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा use तो नहीं हो रहा है. Second, क्या ये over fried तो नहीं है समोसा? क्या ये समोसा जो हम लेके आ रहे हैं पहले का बना हुआ पड़ा तो नहीं है जो हम लेके आ रहे हैं? If you get lucky, he's cooking and frying the samosas in front of you, and if you're not lucky, it is possible that those samosas are being cooked and made पहले के ही बन के पड़े हैं और आपको you're getting it. So looking at these 2 issues, we decided to come up with our own concept. Now I'm coming to the concept of Samiosa. It is make your own samosa. इन 2 issues के basis पे हमने Samiosa को start किया है. Why we call our samosas as guilt-free samosas, you will just come to know in a few minutes time. We started our journey in November 2019. Right now we've got 3 operational stores in Delhi, one in Sadar Bazaar, other one in Hudson Lane, Delhi, and third one in Netaji Subhash Place. We're opening up 3 stores very soon in Ahmedabad, one in Navrangpura, one in Vastrapur, and the other one in InfoCity Complex, Gandhinagar. We've very happy. We are very proud, and we very happily satisfied about 8,000 customers in the first 2 months of our launch. Our mission is very simple. We want to change the perception, the image, or whatever people think about samosas. And we want to give a new direction to this age-old snack, which is loved by all of us all. Vision is very simple. We want to open 25 stores in the first year of our launching. Just a little bit about us. Anshul Valecha, he's my younger brother. He got the idea of Samyosa. We both have taken this journey forward ever since. It took us 2 years and to start our first store. Now coming to the concept of Samyosa. Basically, the concept of our store is make your own samosa. We allow all the customers जो भी हमारे स्टोर पे आते हैं वो अपनी पसंद से समोसे को कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं. अभी तक आप लोगों ने सुना होगा मैदे के समोसे, आलू वाले समोसे, नूडल्स वाले समोसे. व्हाट वी डू इज हम यहाँ पर आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी देते हैं कि जिसमें राइट फ्रॉम द बेस ऑफ द समोसा to the filling that goes in and the method of cooking can all be customized by you. आप अपनी पसंद से करा सकते हैं. हम 3 तरीके के डोज देते हैं जिससे बेस बनेगा समोसे का, मैदा, आटा या मल्टीग्रेन. So basically you can have multigrain samosas also with us. Picking a type, either you get your samosas, one is original and the other one is baked. Either you get your samosas original, that is deep fried, like we used to get har jagah. The second option is you get your samosa baked, which is 100% oil free. Yes, my friends, that's why we call our samosas guilt free. 100% जब oil free samosa हो गया तो उसमें से guilt automatically निकल गया. You don't have to worry about the heaviness, the oil in the samosas anymore. Now we allow you to have various types of fillings which you can take in your samosas. Either you can have a samosa aloo ki filling le sakte hain aap. You can have the fillings based out of paneer. You can have fillings based out of chicken. You can have dessert samosas. We have a chocolate in a samosa. We have an apple pie samosa. We also have various forms of samosas, such as Mexican flavored samosa. We have a Greek flavored samosa. So these are the various fillings from which you can choose from. अब when you talk about commercially opening a store, सिर्फ एक single product समोसे से you cannot get the revenue. Thus, to address that problem, we did a lot of R&D, we did a lot of research, and we fused samosas into various food patterns to satisfy the taste buds of the consumers coming to our store. We have a pizza, such as we have a pizza in a samosa. If you look at it here, we have a samosa in a burger. We call it samyosur. We have samosa in the form of a roll. We call it rapiosa. We have fries and samosa fused together. We have nachos and samosa fused together. We call it the nachiosa. We have an apple pie samosa. We have a chocolate samosa. We have a red velvet samosa. So we fuse samosas with various food palettes, food options. We also have samosa rice bowls. Like we have murg makhni rice with samosa. We have paneer makhni rice fused with samosas. We have a Mexican hot pot fused with samosas. So these are basic few pointers about what we are doing. It's been just 7 months we started our journey. We are constantly innovating and giving new products, new fusion products, new fillings to our customers every month or every quarterly. These are COVID times. Everybody has now gone into taking care of precautions. To be very honest, before the start of our first outlet, we made sure that we were matching the highest level of quality and hygiene in our stores. We were keeping sanitizers start from the day one. Our staff was, well equipped They were using hand gloves, they were using masks and everything. That was all happening before COVID. Post COVID, we've become even more cautious in terms of delivering food from our to our customers. Our services is very quick and graceful. Our ambience, according to us, it's very nice. Thank you so much. Now, this is a few. And these are few of our images of our store. This is our store in Hudson Lane. It's a cafe model. That's a takeaway model. That's a kiosk model in Sadar Bazaar. Now, coming to the franchisee opportunities, we right now have three. You can join us. You can partner with us in all three forms: be FOCO, COCO, and FOFO. FOCO is franchisee owned, company operated. FOFO is franchisee owned, franchisee operated. COCO is company owned and company operated. We are ready to have you on board in whichever way you want to join. These are the four options we have. Either you can have a shop in shop model. For this, we basically require almost about 100 square feet area. It's like a koi aisa store, koi aisa bada store wherein you have a lot of footfall coming in. We just give us 100 square feet space over there. We'll set up a small kiosk because samosa is a quick bite, is an impulse buying product. So we want to reach out to the customers. जितना लोगों के पास हम पहुंचेंगे उतना ब्रांड की वैल्यू बढ़ेगी, उतने नंबर्स बढ़ेंगे. Samosa is an impulse buying thing. We've got all the models ready with us. Second is the takeaway model. For this, we need an area of about 200 square feet. The setup time, the setup cost for that is about 12 to 15 lakhs. Third is the seated kiosk model. Basically, it's a sit down model. We need about 400 square feet area. We have samosas, fusion of samosas, along with coffees, teas, and various offerings to the customers, wherein a guest can come in, have a good time, enjoy samosas and other things. The investment for that is about 20 to 25 lakhs. And last but not the least, we also have the cloud kitchen model, wherein we create we create an environment which can be used to deliver samosas at the doorsteps of our guests. For that, we just require a 200 square feet space. The total setup cost for that would be around 7 to 7.5 lakhs of rupees. To assist our franchisee, we are ready to partner in each and every way, right from site selection to the store layout and designing, to buying of the fixers, to supplying the merchandise, to buying to setting up the IT operational cost and the store operational procedures, setting up SOPs for every store, creating the sales and training the staff for managing the show, launching of the store, designing and assistance in the marketing, inventory management and staff recruitment. Right from site selection to staff recruitment and training, we are going to be there with each and every franchisee who becomes a part of us. So that's a little idea about what Samyosa is all about. Any questions, if anybody has?
So you want to show that video?
Yeah, 1 second, sir. I'm just doing that as well. That only. There you go. About the fusion of samosas, I'm going to show you a small video about how we have fused our samosas in various taste patterns. This is a pizziosa. This is a pizza and a samosa. That's a samyosur, samosa in the form of a burger. That's fries and samosas fused together. We call it the fryosa. This is samosa in a wrap. We call it the rapiosa. That's nachos and samosa fused together. We call it the nachiosa. This is the chocolate samosa which I was talking about. Yeah. So this is a little introduction about what Samyosa is all about. Now, if we talk about the operations or the OPEX, how we are managing it, we have installed a central kitchen, which we have the capacity in cater to outlets right now. So each and every outlet gets the food supplied from our central kitchen only. So whoever joins, takes our franchisee and whoever joins us will not have any hassle in terms of sourcing, right from one samosa to the sauces to everything would be supplied to the central kitchen so that the consistency of the product is maintained throughout. At the same time, we have created SOPs for each and every formulation and the preparation methods also. We give before the launch of the store. We'll be giving training to each and every staff which would be recruited so that they follow the SOPs properly and provide samosas or food to the product in the same manner across all stores in India.
So thank you so much, Ankit, for the wonderful information what you have provided. And now we can, as an Indian, we can proudly say that now we have a brand which represent healthy food, which is a king of Indian snack item, as well as we have got a choice to select, as a customized options which we never had, especially as far as Indian food or Indian snack item is concerned. So you have taken a very, I would say, creative and unique initiative. So let me congratulate you and your team for that. But with same way, it comes with many queries. I think even with the audience, there will be many queries. उनको काफी queries होगी. So कुछ queries what I have been getting. So let me start some of the questions. And audience, if you have any queries, you can put it into chat box or you can raise your hand. We will answer all your queries one by one. So Ankit, now I have a question. Since you have made it very wonderful, including the process and the menu. So how much if a person enters, if a customer enters into your outlet? So if I'm ordering you a specific item, PGOs or any unique item, so what time it takes for a preparation? Since you have told that everything is customized, so generally how long it
That
takes?
is the Samir. That is the USP of our store.
Right.
We are a QSR. QSR means quick service restaurant.
Okay.
So we treat all the guests and the customers with utmost importance and we value each and every minute of their time.
Right.
If they come to our store and whatever order they place, we try and fulfill the order within the next 2 to 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes of time. That is the speed which we have. Yes.
Okay. Even with the customized option.
Absolutely. With the basically the machinery which we are using, that is the biggest support we have. As I told you earlier, Samir, we did extensive research in coming up. There's been an extensive research for about 2 years, which we had to do to come out of this. So this is it took us about 2 years to solve that problem. About 3 to 4 minutes.
So, do you keep some basic raw material ready with you, like something like if you go into a Domino's kind of a thing, so they prepare a dough kind of a thing. So, do you prepare some basic material ready?
Absolutely, all our samosas are assembled and ready.
Okay.
The cooking is happening live after the receiving of the order. Otherwise, the assembly of samosas is done and ready. That's the reason we are able to do it. If we talk about frying of the samosas, the oil is already ready and hot. If you talk about baking of the samosas, the oven is ready. That's the reason we've done with the process so that we can supply faster.
Okay.
We value the time of our customers.
Right. And definitely taste, definitely if I am not able to taste it from this location, otherwise definitely I would have given some
But,
high.
now we're just opening in Ahmedabad very soon.
Oh
Would
wow,
be happy to have you over.
surely we'll be there.
Absolutely.
So now, as you shared with audience that you have all the module ready with you.
Yeah.
So how does it work as far as FOFO is concerned, and how does it work for a FOFO model?
FOFO model is very simple, sir. We'll right, as I told you, right from the site selection to the setup of the store and the training of the staff and the recruitment of the staff. We'll help and assist in each and every decision which the franchisor has to take, which
Right.
the franchisee has to take. We'll give end-to-end support.
Right.
The food would be coming from our central kitchen.
Okay.
They just have to cook it on the store and satisfy each and every guest which comes to us. The basic motto of Samyusa is कि हमारे स्टोर पे जो भी गेस्ट आए सर उसे हमें सेटिस्फाई करना है और उसको सेम टेस्ट अक्रॉस एवरी स्टोर मिलना चाहिए.
Right.
तो जो भी फोफो में हमारे साथ जुड़ता है, even though he is operating the store himself, but we will take extra pain, we'll take all the efforts that we can help him deliver the same goods to the customer that's coming in.
And how about manpower in both the module, like FOFO and FOCO? Like, do you have any trained manpower support, or you train their local staff?
Sir, we would be training their local staff. Our trained people would be coming in and giving them training. Plus, we would be having weekly or fortnightly, we would be conducting audits on the store regularly so that all the SOPs which we have created, which we would be advising, are being managed properly and followed properly.
Okay. And so how does it work for FOCO?
FOCO is the franchisee, the investor gives us money, we run the store for him, and we just take and that's about it.
Okay.
It's franchisee store, we're running it for him.
Okay.
So in FOCO model, what happens is the return is just assured.
Okay.
It's just a assured return that he gets, and rest the store is managed by the company.
Okay, so the not just operation part, everything, even the financial part is taken care by you, and he'll be getting a fixed return kind of a thing. Revenue share.
That's one model. The other model is also there. Both models can be worked out.
Okay.
If anybody wants to get into a FOCO system, we can just, you can connect with me or through you on DM, and then we can take it up there.
So all modules are in place, already in place.
Absolutely. Coco we already have. We are already doing. Cloud Kitchen model is also ready.
Right. And so what are your next expansion plans, like which are, as you said, that you will be launching in Ahmedabad soon?
So we're launching in Ahmedabad soon. We plan to open at least 5 to 7 more outlets this year.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you have expansion plans across India?
Yes, across India.
Okay. Generally any franchisee have this question, because since you are from this brand is basically from North, and if someone is, let's say, taking your franchisee into a southern region, for example, Bangalore or Hyderabad or Chennai, so how about logistic part? Everything is included in that cost?
Yeah. It's all included. And how about there are cold logistics available, cold transportation is available. So transportation is not that hassle anymore. It's all included.
Everything is included.
Yeah. Anybody who wants the breakup of any of the cost which I've given, I don't mind. They can contact me in DM or personally, no problem. We'll share breakups as well. No issues. We want to create a very transparent association with each and every associate partner of ours. क्योंकि जितना ट्रांसपेरेंट होगा उतना ही बिजनेस अच्छा होता है. We want to start on a very clear note with each other.
So in terms of interior also आप flexibility उनको provide कर रहे हैं, if अगर वो अपने हिसाब से अगर locally करना चाहे as per your standard and specification.
Mm, he has to go for as per the standards and specifications.
Of course, as per
Yeah,
your
yeah,
standard specification only.
yeah, he can do it. If he has the capacity and he has connects over there in his city, he can do it, but he has to follow the specific guidelines which we've created.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah, the machinery and the food part is going to be provided. There is no, scope or leverage in that. No negotiations. That would be provided directly from the vendors. To because that is going to be very the founding stone in terms of giving the same consistency of the product all across. Interiors, no issues. They can get it done from their own as per our specifications.
Right. So, and I'm sure you must have done, as you have been doing research since last 3 years. So, I'm sure this taste is the standard taste. You must have considered the different region, the flavor of different region. So definitely it would be a standard taste which would be acceptable. And are there any plannings of adding new products considering different regions? For example, you have a menu in North. So are you planning to add some of the products considering the local taste, something like that?
Samir, I'll address this question one by one. When it comes to taste, I would want you to come and try the taste for yourself to get that answer. Looking forward to having you over.
Definitely.
And I would just say one thing. Uh, what we've done is we've created that every product has been self curated. Every recipe has been matlab we've tasted many a times to finalize a recipe, and won't say much about them ki how you find them. For me, all are wonderful. Would want you to come and taste each and every product of yours and pick your own favorite. And yes, we keep on, as I said, we we are very proactive in terms of providing new. We understand that every customer wants any customer who's coming to the store, they want something new again, time and again. So our R&D is going on. We keep on working on new products, and obviously, when you're going to different states and different cities, you have to consider the taste palettes of the people over there. So if we talk about if we talk about Tamil Nadu, we will definitely have to have a chettinad samosa. If we talk about Gujarat, we'll have to have a pyaj ka samosa. If you talk about Jaipur, we'll have to have a mutton samosa, something like that. If you talk about Bengal, you need to have those kind of some small things which the state can also relate to. That would be added, and we would be doing extensive research, and we would be adding it. And yes, every quarterly and or every alternate months, we keep on adding one or other SKU in our products. Right now, to tell you, we are working on a concept called Maggi Osa.
Wonderful.
It's the fusion of Maggi and samosa.
Okay.
So the R&D is going on, and looking forward to having you over first of all.
Yes. So now, audience, if you have any questions, you can put it into chat box or you can raise your hands. And meanwhile, there is a last question from my end. Uh, what kind of franchises are ideal franchises for you? Means, what do you think that this kind of profile are ideal as far as FOFO and as far as FOCO? And what will be their day-to-day roles and responsibility?
Sir, I feel the most important franchisee or the most ideal franchisee for any company would be people who have their own stores. They have their own some raw space or some commercial space available. Jisko, they take a franchisee because the rental quotient goes off the drain. Income starts from the day one in FOCO or FOFO. And FOFO, I would be saying FOCO would be those people who have a lot of money, who want to venture into F&B, who want to start their own restaurants and do not want to have the hassle of running it. We are one solution for them. They just have to give us a call. We will run the restaurant for them, which would be owned by them. We are ready and open to negotiations in terms of FOCO. Even in terms of FOFO, we would be setting up the whole store. We would be setting up the SOPs. We would be setting up all the procedures for them, which they can run. A person who has a son or a daughter or who wants to start something new, who has some free time, या अपनी wife को आपने कुछ खुलवा के देना है, so FOFO is a wonderful opportunity. They don't have a hassle of, creating recipes, cooking, making the food. Cooking is going to be there, but that staff is going to be there. आपको एक छोटी सी जगह manage करनी है. That can also be done very easily.
Ankit, I have got a question in my chat box from Abhi. Abhi is asking what is the franchisee fees and any assurance break even of money invested and in how many years?
Sir, we have an ROI of 20%. Franchisee fees depends on all the four models like I shared. We have four models, Abhiji. Cloud kitchen, seated kiosk, shop and shop model, and takeaway model. The shop and shop model, the investment is about 8 to 10 lakhs. The cloud kitchen model, the investment is about 7 lakhs. The takeaway model, the investment is about 13 to 15 lakhs. And the seated kiosk model, the investment is about 22 to 25 lakhs. I can personally give you the breakup of how this investment is going to be spent.
So, any more questions? Abhi, I'm sure you have got your answer. Okay, he's saying thank you. Okay, he has also shared his email ID with me. Definitely, Abhi, I'm also sharing my number.
We'll be in touch, Abhi.
If you have into the chat box. So we'll be happy to connect with Ankit and his team. This is my number. If anybody has any query, would like to connect for this more information or buying the franchises, you can connect me on this number. Okay. So we again, thank you so much. The question from my side is over. And again, let me congratulate you for bringing a very unique concept in terms of Semiosa, right? The combination, the fusion of Indian food with health, and along with a combination of I would say the MNC concept which you have bring. ये जो तीनों का आपने जो combination बनाया है, that is really wonderful, and I'll be very much eager to visit your outlet in Ahmedabad whenever you are starting. Right, I'll be happy to become your first client over there.
Looking forward.
The good part is even in this short duration, आपने सारे models ready रखे हैं, not just FOFO, because there are different set of investors. What we always say in market right now, काफी लोग हैं जो अपना time दे सकते हैं during this COVID scenario, जो full time ऐसे business में अभी आना चाहते हैं. Same way, there are people.
Sameer, I'm cutting you there.
Hello.
1 second. Would like to add something.
Yeah, please.
Would like to add something. I feel this COVID time is a blessing in disguise for us. So due to this pandemic, people have really become very conscious when it comes to health and hygiene. People are very conscious in terms of choosing from where to eat food from. Samosa is an age-old product loved by millions and millions of people in India. Or samosa has always had this attachment with itself called unhygienic. So we come into the picture. We are the healthy solutions. We are the healthy solution, and we are the hygienic solution providers for samosas. And one more thing we would like to add here. We are the ones to introduce baked samosas to the world. Nobody else makes baked samosas. आपने कहीं भी, अगर आप समीर खुद भी कहीं किसी स्टोर पे गए हैं या कहीं सीसीडी गए हो, कहीं किसी स्वीट शॉप पे गए हो, इफ यू सी बेक्ड समोसास ओवर देयर, व्हाट दे आर डूइंग इज बेसिकली एक पफ शेप को, एक पैटी को, पफ को समोसे की शेप में दे देते हैं. बट कम टू अस एंड ट्राई आवर samosas, you'll come to know what baked samosas are. As I told you, we've done extensive research. Even the thickness of our samosas, you know, it took a long time. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा मोटा हो जाएगा डो का थिकनेस, तो वो बेक नहीं होगा, कच्चा रह जाएगा. और अगर बहुत ज़्यादा पतला हो जाएगा तो जल जाएगा. So there's been a lot of effort that has gone in terms of developing the product. So we are more relevant now, and we are very eager in terms of expansion. So looking forward to have as many people as who can come and join with us. Setup is ready. We can cater to 50 stores right now in India. इतना capacity है हमारे पास.
See, because this is, as you beautifully said, ke this is the right time, and even same me and my team is telling since the pandemic was started ke हमेशा हम कंप्लेन करते हैं, we don't have time, we want to do something unique, we want to do switch over from our job, from our business, we want to diversify. This is the right time to select a brand, start it, so we can be ready by 2021 with our new business, new concept. And it is wonderful to listen from you that you have all the modules ready with you, whether it is a FOFO, whether it is a FOCO. तो जो अपना फुल टाइम देना चाहते हैं या जो डाइवर्सिफाई होना चाहते हैं, धीरे धीरे इस बिजनेस में, अलग अलग बिजनेस में आना चाहते हैं, उन सब के लिए सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज, ऑप्शंस आर ओपन विथ ऑल द लॉजिस्टिक एंड फैसिलिटीज. सारी चीजें रेडी हैं, एंड हिज टीम इज आल्सो रेडी टू सपोर्ट यू अक्रॉस इंडिया. Yes, not just specific region, across India.
We are looking forward and wanting those people to join us who share the same enthusiasm as we do, who have the same vision in terms of who are really samosa lovers, who share the same enthusiasm as we do regards to the product.
Yes. So don't think so much. This is the time. Take your decision and start it. 21 has to be yours. जिसके लिए तैयारी अभी से स्टार्ट कर दीजिए. Forget about 2020. Right? It has gone. But जो करना है अभी 2021 के लिए करना है. And this is one of the very unique and new concept in a budget format with wonderful support and facility from Ankit and his team. Wish you all the best for the coming time, Ankit. And we'll be happy to connect with you soon.
Thank you for having me over.
Yeah. Have a good day. And अपना ध्यान रखिए और आने वाले समय की तैयारी स्टार्ट कर दीजिए. Good day. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.